Kainta Rizal lang? Dadayuhin ko talaga to.
Hi guys! So, magpapa-PRP tayo for today's video.
Sa sobrang maaliwalas nga ng kanilang clinic ay nabighani ako. From the moment you step in, ay kalmado na ako at comfortable pa ako. Kasi every corner is made to give you that balance of beauty and wellness. It's not just about treatments, guys. It's about giving you a safe and cozy space to recharge and glow. Kaya guys, alam nyo ba na kaya ng body mo mag-heal at mag-glow naturally? That's what PRP is all about. Kaya tara, samahan nyo ako sa kanilang napakalawak na treatment room. Syempre, ang pinakauna ay i-cleanse nila yung face mo, then lalagyan nila ng anesthesia. And then, they will take a small amount of your blood. Then after that, i-extract naman yung plasma na rich in growth factors. Then ayan, ibabalik na siya sa skin mo. It helps with fine lines, wrinkles, at ang pinaka-concern ko, ang aking acne scores. 100% natural na.
Guys, napaka-effective talaga nitong PRP dito sa beauty dahil nakikita nyo naman kung gaano kabanat na banat yung mukha ko. Manhid pa siya ngayon, manhid pa.
Yun lang guys, bye-bye!